Dew Garitas, everybody. Welcome to Ira's channel with Lauren.
Oh my god.
Okay, so if you've not been on Twitter, been a Red Lobster recently, partnered with Pepsi Cola, aka Mountain Dew, to make a Dew Garita.
Ta-da! Made it
We could open this early. Now, typically when you're making a margarita, you would need tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur. We didn't have that. If we lived not in Oregon right now, not only would we not have fires, we could have gone to any grocery store and picked up any kind of alcohol we needed.
I'm not gonna talk during this whole thing. I'm just gonna.
I'm just saying, if we were in Michigan right now, you could go into a Myers, you could pick up a whole rotisserie chicken, a tube sock pack, some bourbon,
The hell of a shopping list you got there.
and some scented candles.
Wow.
Myers.
And you can get all those things at Fred Meyer anyways.
I can't get the bourbon,
Okay, maybe not.
and
the
that's
bourbon.
my whole point. Anyway.
You could get bourbon flavored chicken or something like that.
That you do.
Dew Garitas, everybody.
I don't know if a relationship is gonna make it through this one video. We need 2 shots in here. 2 people, 2 shots.
Fill to the top. Is that how it works?
It does in this house. Woo!
So, you want tequila? It's on the floor.
I was trying to look up like the recipe for a Dew Garita. The internet was not very helpful. Red Lobster is trying to tell me there's some secret ingredients.
I think the secret ingredient is just Mountain Dew.
Okay, that's what I thought. We're just gonna do that much lime juice because normally you put the liqueur. We're just gonna use Mountain Dew.
Mm-hmm.
That's the liqueur. Until it's like a horrendous color.
I don't know. I think that's mostly photoshopped on the internet, how bad the color is.
We could do that.
Pizza power!
Yeah, that seems good. We can always put more Mountain Dew in later, which is what I always say about my mixed drinks.
I might have made a mistake. I might have made a mistake with the ice. Because we gotta salt the...
Oh, yeah, we gotta salt them.
Would you rather slice the slime or make the salt?
I'll make the salt.
I think it's like a chili lime rim.
So we're rolling with this one. Classico.
That
And
is
mild.
not what this is called.
It says Classico right there. That's not the name of it, but it's a Classico seasoning.
All my Mexican friends out there, you're welcome in my home. You're opening? Oh, I thought you were.
Salt.
I know, but I thought you were like gonna use like taking this off to like pour it out, and I was like, that's so much salt. I'm gonna do my job, then I'll let you do your job.
How much of this stuff do we mix together?
I don't know. I'm not a bartender. I worked in restaurants for a long time. I did not enjoy bartending. Boop boop skidoo. Wow.
I mean, you gotta get the whole rim. You gotta get the circumference, right? Are you saying I'm gonna ruin the credibility of the Dew Garita right now?
Is this ready?
Yes. Yes, it's ready. Told you, circumference.
You just
Okay.
waste not, want not. That's kind of pretty.
Yeah.
It smells like you'd expect it to. Okay, so you think this is gonna be gross?
I don't think it'll be like putrid, disgusting, but I think it'll lean towards gross.
I don't think so.
Like, I don't think we're finding like some hidden amazing recipe.
I think we are. I mean, like Mountain Dew is supposed to be like lime lemon.
But
I
is
think I
it
got
really
the kind
like
from Idaho.
lime?
I don't know what Mountain Dew tastes like. I didn't even know where to find it. I don't drink pop.
Yeah, guys, just so you know, this is Idaho flavor Mountain
Yeah.
Dew, so you're gonna have to get that if you want this review to make sense for you.
I think it's gonna taste good. I think the rim. I don't like salted rims ever at all. I asked.
I like
for no
salted rims. I'm a margarita fan.
I like margaritas, but I don't want the.
Really?
I'll just drink from one. I'll get the
One
salt
spot.
off, and I just I've like made my mark. My
Burrow it into
territory.
the margarita and just
Never came
cut a
out.
hole.
To me, it seems the same because everybody was like, I don't know, I feel like it was gonna be a big deal, but you gotta make sure that's shut because it's not. You have one job.
Yeah, but it's carbonated. It's really difficult to hold. Oh, we pour it through this because we're classy.
With our Dew Garita. Red Lobster.
Oh, it goes on deeper than I had it. I see. Anyways,
You're pouring with such class.
It's a Dew Garita after all.
As per what Red Lobster said, I have prepared for us. This is my Martha Stewart moment.
Oh.
Cheese biscuits!
Damn.
Okay, I've never eaten at a Red Lobster.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I just don't know what's good, but why would you pair a margarita with a cheese biscuit?
Why would you pair a margarita with Mountain Dew? I mean,
But I'm just saying, Mountain Dew and a margarita makes more sense to me.
than cheese and biscuits?
No. I love cheese biscuits. What I'm saying is cheese biscuits with a margarita.
Should have got lobster. I guess that's
No,
what
but it
it's come to.
specifically said that it goes best
Oh,
with,
it goes best with those?
cheese biscuits. Are you
Sorry.
pre-trying?
It's fantastic! I always want to say Dew Garita, which would be weirder. But sounds more, like it makes more sense.
I want to say Dorita.
Dorita.
Like, I just want to say Doritos.
I want Doritos Locos Doritos. Now that would be good.
What if we did this, but we crushed up Doritos and made that around the rim?
I mean, that
Just
would
cut you a little on the way down.
do it.
Look me in the eye.
Alright.
Babe. Oh god, I watched you like lick that salt.
So the concoction on the rim is so overpowering, I don't know what a Dew Garita tastes like. I'm gonna do Lauren's burrowing method and not touch the rest of the rim.
Yeah, it's good.
Doesn't taste bad. Yeah.
It's pop and tequila.
Tastes like Mountain Dew and high shelf, high-end tequila that you
Spare no expense.
dug
in this
off
house.
the bar to use in this abomination.
Do you want to die by using some like well tequila and Mountain Dew? We're old. That sounds like a headache.
And this is what you said before. It kind of reminds me of Red Bull and vodka.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. People are so concerned about this, and I was like, you drink Red Bull vodka? I've drunk, you know how many blueberry Red Bulls and vodka I've gone through in my existence?
That explains a lot.
See if it really does pair. I made huge ones.
Yeah, these are very big.
I didn't feel like doing 2 pans, so I just made one big pan. I take back my statement. Because I think a cheese biscuit could go with anything.
Carbs kind of
Yeah.
go with anything. Want carbs? Carbs. Got, what I rate this? It definitely exceeded expectations. It's easy to make at home because it's a fridge staple, Mountain Dew. High-end tequila, and then, is there anything else?
Lime juice.
Lime juice, yeah, it's super easy to make. I would rate this a B-.
A B minus?
Yeah, it's that good. You think it's worse?
No, I'd say it's a solid B. B.
And you were aghast at a B-? You rated a B?
If I got a B minus in school, I'd be so pissed. That means you're stupid. Were you a D plus student?
I mean, Mountain Dew and Red Lobster are both kind of B- companies.
Okay, we were talking about those. I'm gonna come
I
home
don't
and
mind
catch
it.
you making one of these. Hard day's work, making a Dew Garita. Yeah. And we got plenty more where that came from. Maybe it's Sprite that's the lemon lime.
Yeah, Mountain Dew's just a weird concoction.
I'm gonna offend a lot of pop drinkers. Not bad.
And soda drinkers too.